everyone, welcome to my channel. I just got home from work. Hold on. Hold on. And after work, Winnie and I went to Marshall's, and I played the casino, the slot yesterday, and won a little bit. So I decided to go to Marshall's and get something. So let me show you. But first, I'm gonna show you what I got from Walmart. I already have this Revlon Super Matte. No, not Revlon. Revolution Super Matte powder in beige. And then I got another one in translucent. And I already have this blush, but since I really like the shade, I got the same shade. This is in Queen. See, it's still sealed. That's in Queen. And then I got this makeup palette in Express, and it looks like this. And I cannot wait to use that with the new palette that I got from Marshall's. Anyway, it's also by Revolution, so I'm gonna do a comparison if the greens are the same. This is the Ultimate Lights Feather Jewel palette, and it looks like this. Let me see if they're similar in some ways, because they're both Revolution. Maybe the browns and the gold, I think. And the brown, the greens are not. So we're just gonna play with it at the same time. I'm gonna do a makeup look using both of them. This one I got from Marshall's earlier. And then I also got this, I got the Cocoa Pebble palette by Revolution, and I just got this one, the lip gloss in the shade Bam Bam, and it's a nude gloss, so I really like it. And it's called Bam Bam. I think that's Bam Bam. I like the shade because it's nude. And then I got this, I already have this, and then but in the different shade. So I went back and grabbed this one. This one is the Cream Permanent Lip Juice Stain that lasts for 12 hours. This is in Raspberry. Let me open it. Oh my God, it's still sealed. I'm so scared because I don't want to cut myself. Okay, it looks like this. So this is sealed. No one opened it yet, so I'm very confident about this. We're gonna try that. And then I got this MAC. I think I have this already. Let me look. Okay, I'll be back. Anyway, I tried looking for it and I couldn't find it, but I know I have it already. And if I'm unfortunate, it's the same shade too. Oh, I dropped a lipstick. Oh my God. Anyway, I'll try to find it later. This is MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color in the shade Over the Taupe. And if you're in a 90s girl, you will absolutely love this color. It's like a chocolate, like a brown. Cannot wait to try that. Smells so good. MAC lipstick always smells so good. And then I got this at Walmart. It's the new Hard Candy Face Off Blush in the shade Born Yesterday. I already used this one on my makeup tutorial. I'm gonna put the link below so you can see. I really love this one. And I'm gonna go back for more shades. And I'm gonna buy one more of this shade because I really love it. And then I got this, I got 5 more items to go. I got this glossy brow in dark by Makeup Revolution. I'm not sure how you use it. Let me see. Looks like this. Looks like that. Let me see. Oh my god! It's so creamy. I wasn't expecting it to be that creamy. Oh my. That's too much. Oh wow. I thought it's a wax, but it's really not a creamy one. It's like a chocolate. Glossy brow. How does it work? Let's try it. Damn. I was so shocked about that. Let me grab some from my finger. That's very thick, as you can see. I wonder what it's gonna do. It's so pigmented. It left a stain. Oh wow. Let me see how it works. I didn't see any instruction on how to use it. Oh my god, that's... I hope it's not a stain. It's easy to apply. It glides on very easily and you can remove it easily too. So just make sure to set it with powder because it's really like creamy, really creamy. But we're gonna wait if it's gonna dry down so we'll know. Man, I wasn't expecting it to be like that. I was shocked. And I got another one, but this one is brow kit with vitamin E nourishing oil complex to help keep brow healthy. Use powder to add color and the tinted wax. At least this one is wax. This one I don't know. See? It even one at the back. It's stained at the back. Like really glossy. Just really scary to use. But this is in the shade dark, but it's okay, see? This is the Revolution Pro. It comes with the brush spoolie and that's the creamy side and the powder side. No smell, so don't worry. This is good. We're gonna test that soon. But I was really shocked with this. And in case you don't know, I did a makeup look using this brand, the cream. So I decided to get another one. This is in Moonlight. Because the one I got are really pigmented. So I decided to get this one. This shade. And I'm gonna test it out too. And I got this Revolution Power Puff Mojo Jojo. It's Girl Mojo Jojo highlighter. Is she a girl? I don't know. And it looks like this. And I like the cover. So it looks like that. There's no mirror. And last but not the least, I got this BH Cosmetic Vanilla Cream Truffle Blush. And this is how it looks like. So there you have it. I'm gonna put this to the test. Not now, but on my off because I'm working tonight. Let me check if that brow stay. No, it's still glossy. See, it's not gonna stay. So you have to set it with the powder. See, it's gone, and it doesn't leave a mark too. See, so I don't know what's the whole purpose of that. I don't even know how it works because it didn't say. Let me see. Soft pomade. Stupid sticker. Let me take it off. So I could read it. Let me see how it works. Let me see. It says glossy brow, soft pomade, pure defines and sculpt eyebrow, holding hairs in place for long lasting color. Yeah, right. Long lasting. How long? How long? How long? 5 seconds. Let me see. Use the detailed angle brush to apply color to the brow in the desired shape. That's all it says. But we both know we need to set it with powder. Anyway, that's all my haulage. I hope you like it. And I hope to see you again soon. See you later. Bye.